Greetings to all of you dear students. Now we are going to solve one simple problem on liquidation. Ali Limited went into liquidation on 31/3/2018 with the following liabilities. We have secured creditors 2 lakh. In bracket securities realized is 2,50,000. Preferential creditors 6,000. Unsecured creditors 3,05,000. Liquidator met liquidation expenses amounted to 2,520. The liquidator entitled for remuneration at 3% on amount realized, including secured assets held by secured creditors, and 1.5% on amount distributed to unsecured creditors. Assets other than secured creditors realized is 2,60,000. Prepare liquidator final statement of account. Ali Limited went into voluntary liquidation on 31/3/2018 with the following liabilities. Secured creditors 2 lakh. In bracket securities realized 2,50,000. ಸಾಲ 2 ಲಕ್ಷ, ಗಿರಿವಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರಾಟ 2.5 ಲಕ್ಷ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲಗಾರ ಆಸ್ತಿನ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. They have not mentioned that secured creditors have sold the asset. In the previous questions they had mentioned that secured creditors had realized the assets. But here securities are realized by whom? Not mentioned. So we assume that these securities are realized by liquidator. So assets sold by liquidator 2,50,000. Secured creditors 2 lakh. Preferential creditors 6,000. Unsecured creditors 3,05,000. The liquidator met liquidation expenses amounted to 2,520. So this is liquidation expenses. The liquidator is entitled to a remuneration of 3% on amount realized including securities held by secured creditor. ವೇತನ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರಾಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಮಾರಾಟದ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And 1.5% on amount distributed to unsecured creditor. So you should also calculate remuneration at 1.5% on unsecured creditors. They have not mentioned whether should we calculate remuneration on preferential creditors or not. The question is silent. So we conclude that remuneration is also calculated on preferential creditor because preferential creditor is also unsecured creditor. ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೇತನ ಅನ್ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1.5% ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೊರತುಪಡಿಸಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಅಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಂದ್ರೆ ವೇತನ ಅನ್ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ಮೇಲೇನೂ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಾರಣ preferential creditor is also treated as unsecured creditors. Assets other than secured assets realized 2,50,000. So totally 2 assets are realized. In first point total security realized 2,50,000. Last point other assets realized 2,60,000. Total assets realized 5,10,000. Prepare liquidator final statement of accounts. So receipt side assets realized 5,10,000. That's 2,50,000 plus 2,60,000. Secured creditors in our question 2 lakh. Liquidation expenses 2,500 and remuneration is calculated on 3 on assets, on preferential creditors, on unsecured creditors. ಸೊ ವೇತನ 3 ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಸ್ತಿ ಮೇಲೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ unsecured creditors. So on assets realized 5,10,000 into 3%, 15,300. On preferential creditor 6,000 into 1.5%. On unsecured creditors, please keep it pending. We will check whether full amount is available or full amount is not available. If full amount is available to pay unsecured creditor, remuneration will be into rate divided by 100. If full amount is not available, into rate divided by 100 plus rate. So unsecured creditor remuneration, keep it pending. We don't have debenture in our question, so it is dash. Preferential creditors, it's 6,000. Now let us check whether how much amount is left. Receipt side 5,10,000 minus secured creditors 2 lakh minus liquidation expenses 2,500 minus remuneration on assets 15,300 minus preferential creditor remuneration 90 minus preferential creditor 6,000. So we have only 2,86,110. Actual unsecured creditor is 3,05,000. So we don't have sufficient amount to pay unsecured creditor. So remuneration is into rate divided by 100 plus rate. 2,86,110 into 1.5 divided by 101.5. So remuneration is 4,228. Total remuneration is 19,618. So final payment to unsecured creditor 2,81,882. So we pay 92 paisa in a rupee. Thank you.